I'm Miss Jennifer from the Anderson County Library, and this is Miss Allison, and we are here outside in the children's courtyard today to tell you about the newest feature on the library's website called CreativeBug. Now, CreativeBug is a crafty person's dream come true because in it you can find dozens of different patterns that are free, but the thing that caught our eye was under the kids section, and it's called Bubble Mania. In Bubble Mania, Rad Megan shares her special recipe for a homemade bubble solution that is way stronger and a little bit cheaper than anything you can buy at the store. And we went in there and used her recipe to make 2 gallons of bubble solution that we put in a pool and found some different things around the house, like in the garage I found a badminton racket. This turns out to produce the most bubbles. If I can produce some bubbles without getting them in Miss Allison's eye, we'll be doing something. Now look how you can catch the bubbles because they're stronger because of the glycerin that's in it. Miss Allison found a wand at the dollar store. Let's see what happens when you blow air through that, Miss Allison. She blew the bubble. I caught the bubble. Look how cool that is. Now the best wand to possibly try is a hula hoop. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I raise it up. There, look at that. It reminds me of a trampoline. It might take you a minute or two, but if you can get a bubble out of that, it is so much fun. All right, everybody. Our website is andersonlibrary.org. We hope you have a great time with CreativeBug and the Bubble Mania. And don't forget to check out some books about the viscosity of liquid from the Anderson County Library. Yes, children's books on the viscosity of liquid are really a thing. Put one on